Hello, welcome to Project Management 02pro.com. This is Hassan Mir. In this tutorial, we will revisit definition of project management. So in previous tutorials, we have seen what we have to do when we are given an assignment. We have to go through a series of questions and qualify the assignment as a project. So finally, we decided that yes, we had a project. Okay, now what? Wrong approach is this, as you see on the screen. I come to my team saying, hey, I have a project, and everybody just jumped in to this project and start doing all the random activities. Okay, so everybody just start implementing Oracle without discussing any central plan, and just random activities starts happening, and we had an end result, and client was not happy with the end result. Reason? Because we didn't take any measure to compare the client's expectation with the end result. We did not even know what client was expecting properly. Okay, so we just built a product, and we were like, why plan when we can just start building product directly? Okay, so planning is kind of considered as a waste of activity. So this is a wrong approach. Okay, so the right approach is, I come to my team saying I have a project. Okay, so we have a project manager here, and project manager brings discipline of project management. Okay, so what is a project management? We applied the project management to this project. Okay, so set of tools and techniques are applied, and all the activities are properly planned. Okay, so instead of having random activities, project activities are pre-planned, and they are properly laid out, who is going to do what and which activities are dependent on what other activities, etc., etc. Okay, and finally we had an end result, and client was happy with the end result. Okay, because not only we just prepared all these activities in advance, we also took measures to understand what exactly client is expecting, and we also took measures to control what we are producing. So we were comparing the end results with the original plan, original specifications that we have initially documented before starting all the activities. Okay, so bottom line is that project management discipline is a set of tools and techniques that when brought to the table streamline all the project activities. Okay, so for the sake of exam, PMP examination, and also for sake of your knowledge, what is project management? Okay, let's revisit the definition of project management. Project management is a set of tools and techniques. It's very important to note. Okay, so it's a set of tools and techniques that are used to organize the work of the projects to help bring about a successful project. Okay, who manages the set of tools and applying the set of tools and technique process? Project manager manages the process of applying the set of tools and techniques to the actual project. But what happens when you apply the set of tools and techniques? The whole work project activities gets organized. Okay, so that's all I wanted to clarify in this tutorial, what exactly the project management is and what is the correct definition of project management. Okay, and in the next tutorial we'll take our study one step further. I'll see you in the next tutorial.